Welcome to the Online Manual by FranMan. I want you to meet Champ. He's the best tracker there is. This dog will hunt, and he's built into every online manual by FranMan. Wouldn't it be super cool if you could see exactly who's been reading the manual and where they've been reading? That is management information that you can really use, right? With the Online Manual by FranMan, you'll be tracking like a champ. It's easy. I'll show you. In the Online Manual by FranMan, administrative users can view the site statistics with just a few clicks. Check it out. You just pick a date range, then click Section Visits. The page views per section are listed right there. If you want to see who's been in the manual, simply click on User Visits, and we'll show you who's been in, how many times they've visited, how many pages they've visited, and with just one more click, you can even see where they've been. Can your manual do that? I don't think so. Give us a call. We love talking about this stuff, and before you know it, you'll be tracking like a champ.